Sometimes you feel like a nut. We're all the nuts.
Plastic nuts. Woo! How's it going, YouTube? Got Hero.
Yo!
Alvin. Your superstars of the First Timers Baby Edition. So today we're gonna be unboxing a CuboAi baby monitor. There's a lot of cool features on this guy. One of them is like temperature change. If the baby rolls over and flips over, keep them from suffocating, stuff like that. This is actually has a lot of tech in it, so I'm very stoked to actually do an unboxing of this guy here. Yeah, so cool. Let's jump in.
Let's get to it.
Woo! All right, so we're gonna be opening this one here, and while I'm opening it, you know, to the people that put money into this, thank you very much. It was on our baby registry, and I was pretty excited. Had 2 people put a little bit of cash in, so that was allowing us to get this bad boy here. Woo, look at that, looks good. All right, so this is called CuboAi Smart Monitor. Right now, one of the biggest things that you can see, covered face alert. So again, that's if the baby flips over or something gets covering up his face, it'll actually tell you, send it. You can also set a danger zone alert. So say if you're worried about your baby getting too close to the edges and stuff like that, you don't have to worry about it. Also, say if the baby's smiling, all that fun stuff, and just doing very cute things, it'll actually automatically take photos for you, which is actually really cool. Pediatricians created, so that's actually very cool. Cry detection alert, so when the baby starts crying, boom, you know right away, come and see the baby. And also running 1080 HD night vision as well, so pretty stoked. What comes in the box? You have the AI Smart Baby Monitor, USB wall plug, U-shaped camera holder, mobile stand, 7-foot cord, okay, floor stand, round base water bag, placed in base, okay, don't know what water bag is, but we'll take a look. Shape stand, stand extension, crib stand, crib attachment base, crib stabilizer. Okay, so it looks like it has some stuff so you can actually stabilize it to the crib as well, which is actually pretty cool. So high sensitivity microphone, built-in speaker, works off of 2.4 gigahertz or 5 gigahertz, minimum 3 megabits USB bandwidth, so that's actually pretty important. If you do have 5 gigabits or lower for internet speeds, you might not get the best performance out of this guy. Product liability apparently is about $1 million US. Assembled in Taiwan, just like the baby rocker, assembled in Taiwan. PC ABS children friendly material and 280 grams of weight. So yeah, let's jump into it. And also keep in mind, guys, it works with the Apple and Google Android and phone devices. Take our trusty Stanley here. Keep in mind you want to cut away. Make sure you don't cut yourself. Close it, make it safe. So. Okay, bringing peace of mind and joy to parents everywhere. Okay, so let's take a look at this Open Me. Okay. So for whatever reason it says Open Me, I'll take a look here. Okay, so USB, charging right there. Type-C port, actually pretty cool. Okay, so this looks like this is all the different holders for it here. All right, we got our trusty setup guide here. I'll hand that to Hero so he can go through the instructions there. All right, so we did figure out what the water bag is for. It looks like it's gonna be for this guy, to add a little more weight to it to hold it down. So that will be 2 cups. When this actually inflates, it'll be a sphere, and you can put it right in and it'll hold it. So it's saying 2 cups here. So we'll start off not with the camera, but with the base and the accessories here. So wall plug, crib stabilizer, reset pin. Oh, look at that. So there's a pin in here as well. Looks like it resets it, so if the camera falls over, you can reset it here. We'll have to take a look at that as well. And then you got your cable ties. So we won't, I don't know if we'll use this. You said there's a crib attachment?
Yeah, they're here. There's 3. So show the viewers, there's 3 different setups. Floor stand was what you would use this for. Crib attachment, which I think is pretty good.
Yeah.
Mobile stand if you want to put it here on this table facing the crib.
Okay, or when he gets older. If the baby's smaller, you can use the crib. As the baby gets older and maybe starts moving, you might want to use the floor stand, which would make sense to me. And then as the baby's really, it's really old, then you just put it on the table and then you can watch the baby.
Everywhere.
Yeah. Okay. I think that's the plan then. So we'll use the crib one first, and then the floor stand. Okay. Cool.
Sounds like a first-timer plan.
Yeah. And again, it looks like all of the adapters have mics right on the back there. So, and then actually the cable actually feels pretty good too. So nothing too crazy there. Nothing out of hand. I don't know what this is. What is this? Oh, is this the crib?
That's probably the crib attachment.
Okay.
That's the base for the crib attachment.
This is the base. Ah, I got it. I see it. So it kind of snaps together.
And then this
And then
is
this slides in.
mobile stand. So that's the charger port.
Yeah. So mobile stand, crib stand. Okay, so I take it the idea for this one is it goes between the cribs. So I have a crib attachment here. So it looks like it opens, straps right into the bars and locks in, and then you run it up there. Cover goes right on it, so it looks professional. And then it looks like the little ties go around the bars. Okay, so the idea looks very simple. Come in right there. I mean, obviously I'm just putting it here, but it looks like it can kind of go anywhere. It actually looks like it has a nice little thing. Use the nuts, and then you can tighten it down with the nuts.
Now he's crawling under the crib like it's a car.
Can you hand me the nuts?
Sometimes you feel like a nut. We're all the nuts.
Plastic nuts. They're like the round, weird round looking.
Oh, you mean these?
Yeah.
Dope. It's all the way in the corner. Should I move the crib back?
Nah, that's alright.
I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but he's just attaching the crib mount for the camera. That sounded like
a strip.
that sounded like it just locked into place.
So the next thing I'm gonna use here, guys, or I'm gonna build, will be this portion of the crib. Just slide right in there. Okay. So they all have these little push guys here. Push that. Clip. Should clip. There it is. Alright, so it actually is going pretty simple here. Let me push this back in actually. But overall it doesn't seem to be too difficult. And I'll take the cover here. So it looks like the wire goes down towards the bottom. This is the open part here. And then that should just slide on and clip right. Okay, so This guy literally has a Type-C port, plug right in. So it looks like it's just that simple. I just don't know if there's like a special okay. Right under the bird, if you need to take it off, there's a little push lever and push it and it'll come right off. So it has a little metal hook on there, so it locks it in place. Which was interesting because I kind of wanted to know why I had that metal piece, but it makes sense so it doesn't have to shake or anything. And that should be locked in.
Download the CuboAi app and create an account.
All right. There's what it looks like. So we're just gonna create an account here. So make sure the light on the Cubo is green, then continue. So we're gonna go over to the Cubo for a quick second. Does it look green? Yes, it looks green. So we're going to press continue. And then we're gonna connect to a Wi-Fi. Okay, place the QR code 7 inches from the front of the camera.
Cubo is now connected to Wi-Fi. Please continue to next step.
So right now, Cubo actually talked and said, Cubo is connecting to Wi-Fi. So now it says that we have to take up to 51 seconds for it to connect. And we'll wait, so see what it does. But it has a dent in Cubo. Setup complete. You have covered face, rollover alert, covered face, rollover alert again, so same thing. You have your adjust your detection zone. And then obviously all types of detection. So let's go into settings and night light. We can actually click that, I guess.
There it is. Got it.
Okay, so status light. I guess on the side you can turn that on and off. Wi-Fi. So you have your camera settings here.
You just turned the light back on.
Yeah, it's fine. So it's 1080. Sound and mic on everyone. Only for this device only. Sleep safety alerts on, danger zone is off, cry detection on, cry detection sensitivity medium. So if you just want to leave your kid there. Which is actually pretty cool. They have the temperature comfort range, so 72 to 82. Humidity comfort, so it actually can test humidity as well. And that's 80 to 70%. So that's actually pretty sick as well. So, okay. So we did move the camera a little bit there. And obviously we have tools in there, but baby would be directly right in the center. We have all our temperatures, so we have the 77 degrees right now in here, 38% humidity. Night light is on. Talk to the baby anytime by holding that button there. You have your record. You can allow. And it starts recording Cubo. You got Paul over there hanging out, seeing what's going on. And take a picture. Woo! That's cool. And you can view it on your camera roll, so it looks like it connects pretty seamless. But yeah, I actually like it. All right, guys. So overall, I think it was a huge success. Pretty much we got Cubo in there, chilling. You have your moisture sensor, your heat temperature, a 1080p camera. You can also change it to 720 just in case if you have slower speeds internets. But overall, Cubo looks pretty cool, just chilling here. You have the little mic here, which will allow you to talk to the baby.
Looks like the speakers in the back.
Yeah, and the speakers in the back on the butt of the bird. And yeah, so it's
the tail end.
The tail end. Okay. The tail end of the bird. So yeah, it looks pretty cool. It's a nice added setup there. You have your CuboAi there. Other than that, it wasn't too difficult to set up.
Cool.
Yeah. Now, anything else you want to say about this guy?
No. Aren't you excited to see it work?
I know. I think I should almost jump in. I should jump inside the.
Test it out.
Test it out. So,
just up as a baby.
Yeah. I don't know, guys. If you guys are down to see that, let's get up to 100,000 likes. And then I'll jump in.
How about that? That's a challenge right there. If we get 100,000 likes on this video, Alvin's gonna do that. He's gonna dress up as a baby and sit in his crib.
everything's been setting up very simple and easy so far. I hope you guys are enjoying the channel. We're doing a lot of great work. Everything seems to be going pretty quick and fast. So, guys,
Don't jinx it.
anyway,
See ya.
woo, laters.